Welcome back to another property tour. My name is Vicky Bryant and I'm your local guide for Coweta and Fayette counties in Georgia. Today we're in Fayetteville, Georgia, and we'll check out the beautiful horizon on a slab in this brand new community by DRB. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, formal dining and formal living room with designer trim package and coffered ceilings. LVP flooring throughout the main level, the stairs, and all the bathrooms. Gourmet kitchen with an island, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliance package in a sizable pantry. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious primary suite, a loft area, and 3 more bedrooms with a full bath. Your lot size is about 1/4 of an acre, and you also have an open patio area for outdoor entertainment. This home is offered at a touch below $500,000, and the neighborhood is in a prime location just a mile south of downtown Fayetteville. If you enjoyed this video today, and if you'd like to learn more about living in the south side of Atlanta, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you're currently on the market for your new home, go to my website, vickybryant.com, for the most accurate information on all available homes in the area. Your information will be safe and secure when you use my site, and it's never shared with the world, so go check it out. But for now, enjoy the tour. So let me know, what did you think about this home? Drop me a comment down below. And if you'd like to learn more about living in Fayetteville, Georgia, go ahead and watch the next video on your screen. I think you'll like it and you'll find it very helpful in your home search. Go watch it now, and I'll see you there.